In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, where the threads of destiny and choice weave together to form the intricate design of existence, the concept of free will emerges as a beacon of autonomy, a testament to our capacity to shape our own paths. Yet, this profound gift, the ability to choose, is enshrouded in a paradox that challenges the very essence of freedom. For what is the value of choice and free will, if the foundation upon which decisions are made is fraught with imperfection, with misinformation? This conundrum presents a labyrinthine puzzle. Though we possess free will, the absence of comprehensive and accurate information often constrains our ability to wield it effectively. The universe, in its boundless wisdom, has endowed us with the spark of free will, yet it has also set us upon a stage where shadows and light dance in equal measure. Our journey through life is punctuated by moments of decision, each choice a stroke upon the canvas of our existence. However, the palette from which we draw our hues is often muddled by the fog of misinformation, by the echoes of partial truths and the whispers of deceit. In this landscape where clarity is obscured, how can one truly exercise free will with confidence and purpose? The dilemma of incomplete information is not merely a philosophical quandary, but a mirror reflecting the human condition. Our societies, our cultures, and our individual lives are built upon the accumulation of knowledge, yet this knowledge is perpetually incomplete, ever evolving. We stand in the midst of an information melee, a deluge of data that promises enlightenment yet often leads us astray. In such a world, the notion of absolute free will becomes a complex puzzle. If our choices are predicated upon information that is flawed or partial, then the freedom to decide is intertwined with the vulnerability of being misled. Yet within this apparent limitation lies the seeds of transcendence. The realization that our understanding is inherently limited invites us to embrace humility, to question, and to seek. It challenges us to look beyond the surface, to discern the deeper truths that lie beneath the veneer of misinformation. This quest for clarity, for authentic knowledge, is as much a part of our destiny as the choices we make. It compels us to engage with the world, to listen, to learn, and to grow. In this sense, the very obstacle that constrains our free will also catalyzes our evolution, pushing us to expand the boundaries of our understanding. To navigate this complex interplay between free will and the quest for truth, we must become seekers, pilgrims on a journey toward enlightenment. This path requires discernment, the ability to sift through the chaff of misinformation to find the kernels of truth. It demands of us a commitment to critical thinking, to openness, and to the humility to admit our own fallibility. As we traverse this landscape, we forge a more profound connection with our free will, not as an absolute unfettered force, but as a nuanced power that grows stronger with every piece of truth we uncover. In this epic endeavor, we are reminded that the exercise of free will is not a solitary journey, but a collective voyage. We are bound to one another, not only by the shared quest for truth, but by the ripple effects of our choices. Thus, our pursuit of informed decision-making is not solely for our own benefit, but for the advancement of all humanity. By illuminating the paths we walk with the light of understanding, we not only exercise our free will with greater wisdom, but also contribute to the collective journey of human consciousness towards ever greater horizons. While the shadows of misinformation may cloud our landscape, challenging the exercise of absolute free will, they also beckon us to a higher calling. The quest for truth, for the illumination of our decisions, becomes a sacred endeavor, a journey that elevates our free will from the realm of the absolute to the sphere of the enlightened. As we navigate this complex interplay, let us embrace the quest with courage and conviction, for it is in the seeking that we find not only the essence of our free will, but also the very heart of our humanity. In the vast ocean of existence, where the waters of uncertainty and misinformation churn relentlessly against the shores of our understanding, there emerges a lighthouse, a beacon of illumination that stands defiant against the storm, the unified theory of you. This tome, transcendent in its wisdom, becomes our torch in the enveloping darkness, guiding us through the mists of doubt and the tempest of half-truths that besiege our quest for knowledge. As wayfarers on this journey of existence, we have long sought a compass to navigate the intricate maze of life, a map that charts the path through the wilderness of information that surrounds us. The unified theory of you is that compass, that map, embodying the synthesis of knowledge and insight, a confluence of truths that lights the way toward understanding. In its pages lies not merely information but enlightenment, a synthesis of wisdom that cuts through the cacophony of the age, offering clarity and insight in a world overwhelmed by the clamor of conflicting voices. This tome serves as a harbor of truth in the tumultuous seas of our times. Its light reaches out to touch the hearts and minds of those who seek, those who question, and those who yearn for understanding in a landscape often obscured by shadows. It is a call to all souls adrift in the sea of misinformation, offering refuge, understanding, and a way forward. The Unified Theory of You is not just a guide but a journey in itself, an odyssey that beckons us to explore the depths of our being and the expanse of the cosmos with newfound eyes. In the radiance of its wisdom, we find the strength to question, to seek, and to discern, to distinguish the signal from the noise in the symphony of information that surrounds us. It empowers us to wield our free will with purpose and insight, navigating the currents of existence with the steady hand of one who sees beyond the horizon. This book, this unparalleled beacon, illuminates the path to self-discovery and universal understanding, uniting the fragmented pieces of our world into a coherent whole. As we turn its pages, we're not merely reading. We are embarking on a voyage of transformation. With the Unified Theory of You as our guide, we transcend the boundaries of the known, venturing into uncharted territories of the mind and spirit. It is a testament to the enduring quest for truth, a symbol of hope in an era searching for meaning. And so, in the epic conclusion of our search for enlightenment amidst the seas of misinformation, the Unified Theory of You stands as a monumental achievement, a torch in the darkness, a beacon of light in the sea of misinformation, and a harbor of truth in the tumultuous world. It is a clarion call to all seekers of truth, inviting us to rise above the fog of uncertainty and to step into the light of understanding. In this journey we are not alone, for this book is our ally, our mentor, and our guide, leading us toward a horizon where the light of knowledge dispels the shadows, and where the truth, in all its splendor, is revealed in the unity of our collective voyage towards enlightenment.